We have a 2014 Ram 1500 Express, same model as the Tradesman and some of the Sports with this head unit, but we swapped it out for the Android radio. Perfect fit. Everything works great. Plug and play. We have it installed already, but to get to it and to basically do these steps, you just take this little pad up the top, 2 screws on the top, take that out, set that aside, don't mind these. You grab onto the top here and just give it a little firm yank. Pop them all out. Lay it down there. Everything's plug and play. Looks crazy, but pretty easy. First thing you want to do when the old unit is in here, it'll look very similar, just less cords, but you want to take, there's about 8 screws on each side. Phillips screwdriver down the side at the bottom, this side down the side at the bottom. It takes everything out, and then you unscrew 4 larger bolts from the existing unit, and that'll take that apart too. And again, you are left with this. So those 8 screws you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 up the side. And then if you want to take the unit off itself, there's just 4 big bolts right there that are attached to the car. So what you're left with when you remove everything is 1, 2, and 3. Ended up not using this, not really sure what it's for. Potentially the USB in the center console, but plug and play wise, yeah, you just find using the instructions are pretty good. I mean, some say they're bad, but they're pretty straightforward. Attach this. This is the main, pretty much connects everything there. You don't use any of these unless you have aftermarket radios, subs and stuff. Here's the CAN bus, which eliminates any error codes. And down here, literally just plug and play. So this piece is for, you can bypass with the instructions to get the reverse, custom reverse. This one right here is the Bluetooth antenna, I believe. And there's 2 USBs, a 6-pin and a 4-pin. Just put them in the right spots. You can use either of them. And then this piece right here actually is what you connect to that piece to bypass and use your stock reverse camera. So what came with the kit I didn't use was the microphone. Did not use the reverse camera, and yeah, those are the only 2 things I didn't use. Everything else was plug and play and pretty simple. So you just screw the 8 screws back in, plug everything in, tuck it back in there nicely. I'm going to run my USBs. I had them coming out the top, but I'm going to run them back out. Drill a little hole in the back of this little pocket, and they'll be sitting in there. You can run them to the glove compartment too if you want.